Practice lead of Big Data and Analytics in Spira Enterprise. A huge round of applause for Mr. Sachin Ansan.
Good afternoon, everyone. So, a tough session after lunch, but I'll wrap it up very quickly within 5 minutes. So, this is in continuation to our discussion about the industry trends in how digital transformation and data analytics is helping the industry transform. What are the use cases we discussed related to e-governance, commercial taxes, analytics and all. Right? We are a gold partners to SAS. We are Inspira. Just to talk a little about Inspira, we are 14 years into industry. We are headquartered in Mumbai. We have presence across 16 states in India. CMMI level 5 certified organization with all the ISOs in place. We have 1600 plus professionals, including the data analytics and public cloud, which is the digital transformation arm of Inspira. Okay, with that, we have helped more than 20 customers with e-governance projects related to smart cities, related to ministries of finance, related to commercial taxes, and I'll be talking about them in the subsequent slide. I'd also like to highlight about our partnership with SAS. SAS is a leading OEM in data science and machine learning. We are the gold partners with them with a leading competency, certified resources around the same to deploy and deliver the solutions end to end. We as a system integrator has a competency and presence across. We are also pioneers into cybersecurity, where we deliver solutions end to end as a SI, which includes your platform services, your analytics services, your cloud services, and holistically giving the end-to-end approach to our customers across India. And this shows our presence. How are we spread across, starting from our presence in North, and we have also delivered projects successfully in Manipur. I'll be talking about the CM dashboard case study which we have done, and we have gone live very recently. These are our key domain areas where we leverage our competencies. When I say competency, both technical delivery competency as well as the domain expertise which we bring on the table. The domain expertise, the people who have been into the industries, who have actually worked with those end customers and now are part of the IT digital transformation journey. So the key sectors which we focus, one is the government, where we can help with the decision support system kind of use cases, healthcare analytics, fraud analytics. We have extensively been working in energy and utility, where we focus on energy forecasting, transmission for non-technical losses, asset information and predictive maintenance kind of use cases. Followed by social benefits, where I think it was covered in the morning sessions about DBT, direct benefit transfer. So social benefit kind of use cases is something which we are good at, that we are already working with a couple of states in India, so that is something we can do. Followed by oil and gas, we are associated with ONGC, IOCL kind of customers, where we are doing very typical use cases, handling petabytes of data on a regular basis to build use cases. Followed by law enforcement, we spoke in the morning session, we spoke about how the challenges in law enforcement, especially police, can be handled with crime analytics, predictive policing kind of solutions, right? So that area as well. The data that gets generated at each of the ecosystems which I spoke about is humongous and gets generated on a day-to-day basis. This is one of the blueprint of how any citizen-centric services portal works. The data that gets generated from various departments, I guess the slide is not visible at the below, but the data gets generated from various departments, various social media sites, various like newspapers, articles, and the data that gets generated internally to the system. We bring everything together, we integrate, create a single source of truth where the data management quality is being performed, followed by a data science analytics, and subsequently those reports are generated, which is not only descriptive in nature but also predictive, prescriptive, which helps the government and the e-governance projects make the life simpler to take the decisions based on facts and figures. Okay, and that's what a lot of them can be even exposed to the citizens using the means of portal. A lot of them is for internal consumption also. So these are the kind of projects which we have delivered. I would like to spend a minute here. The kind of references we have along with SAS as our key partner. The first one is about the commercial tax Tamil Nadu, where we have implemented fraud analytics and taxpayer 360 degree. That's the holistic idea to identify any kind of anomaly, which is the direct return on investment for any commercial taxes department in the country. The second one is ONGC, where we have implemented drilling analytics. The physics-based calculation has been converted to machine learning-based insights, and how the decision making can be changed when we project the solutions like these. Followed by, we have done a project for Coal India, where we are creating very specific use cases along with the domain expertise from the customer, so that the third customer is Coal India, which we are delivering in Ranchi. The fourth one the third one is about the CM dashboard Manipur, and that's the case study I was talking about, right? How the various departments, the data is integrated and the scheme level monitoring is performed. The fourth one is CMPDI, which is a subsidiary of Coal India, where the use cases related to mining have been implemented along with our partner SAS. And the final one is the National Pension System. We all know Inspira has been, along with SAS, has done the entire digital transformation from them. When I say entire digital transformation, whatever has been manually intercepted till 6 months back have been automated, starting with reporting mechanism, data upload mechanism to the short-term and long-term forecast. They are an entity of 6 lakh crore corpus, which is growing to be 30 lakh crore corpus, and this platform which we have implemented is a phenomenal into the success of NPS. And few more logos which over a period of last 14 years of operations as Inspira we have delivered in the space of digital transformation. We as an organization along with our partner ecosystem can cater to the consulting services, which involves the capacity planning, analyzing what kind of use cases can be brought on, what kind of platform, what kind of correct tool do we choose. Second is the system integration piece, which start with, it's not like we are only catering to the application, but we can start with a public cloud or a on-premise infrastructure. And then once the consulting piece is done, the integration piece is done, then it's where we have the end-to-end capabilities around data acquisition, data transformation, data quality, followed by administration, security, data science. Also, as I mentioned earlier as well, we are pioneers into cybersecurity. So whenever we are dealing with data, we follow a zero trust framework, that how are we securing your personally identifiable information. So with that, we are changing a lot of digital, as Inspira, we have been working with more than 20 e-governance customers in their analytics journey. So that's all. Thank you.
Thank you so much for such a lovely presentation, Mr. Sachin. I would now like to call on the dais Shri Anjum Parvezji, who is the IAS Managing Director, Bangalore Metro Rail Corporation Limited, to please join us on the stage and felicitate Mr. Sachin Achal for his amazing presentation. Can we have a huge round of applause?